Jimin, member of the global sensation BTS, has recently delighted fans with the release of his latest solo single titled Closer Than This. This heartwarming track marks his first solo release since his highly successful debut solo album, Face, which was unveiled in March. While many may assume that Closer Than This serves as a farewell gift to the BTS army, as Jimin is set to embark on his mandatory military service as an active-duty soldier in the South Korean military, the song actually serves as a tender love letter to his devoted fanbase. Jimin's heartfelt lyrics beautifully express his deep gratitude and affection towards the BTS army, who have been a constant source of support throughout his career. The single showcases his delicate vocals and the sincerity behind his message, making it an emotional tribute to those who have stood by him, despite his impending absence from the entertainment industry during his military service. Jimin assures fans that their connection remains unbreakable. Through Closer Than This, he conveys that distance will not diminish their bond, and that the love and admiration he holds for the BTS army transcends physical separation. The release of Closer Than This has generated immense excitement among fans worldwide. The song's reflective lyrics and Jimin's soulful delivery have touched the hearts of many, reinforcing the strong connection between the artist and his fanbase. As fans eagerly await his return after completing his military service, Closer Than This serves as a reminder of the unwavering support and love that the BTS army continues to shower upon Jimin and the rest of the group.